We kind of missed the launching, but we're here to get the receipt of the Catalina 445. So it's now being moved to Regatta Point Marina, where they're going to finish the commissioning process. So let's take a quick look. Hey guys, we're catching up with Ed as he arrived here at the fuel dock at Regatta Point Marina. I missed the launch, but they just got here, so this is the first time the boat has sailed. So hey Ed, what's going on here today?
Well, we've just brought the boat from Sneed Island Boat Works. It went into the water perfectly. April and I got everything ready to leave with the boat. We motored up the river here, and we just topped off the fuel at Regatta Point Marina. They've got the best fuel dock arrangement I've ever seen. Really easy to work with. And from here, we're going to go ahead and move the boat around to the slip, and we're going to do that right now.
Excellent.
Hey folks, for those of you who don't know, Regatta Point Marina is right on the Manatee River, right next to the Green Bridge, with great access to deep water.
And they have regular marine fuel, they have diesel, they have a pump out station and water right here. Give you a quick view of the Manatee River and the entrance. Plenty of water for boats with big keels. They have a bait shop and pretty much anything you can possibly need here at the store. So Ed's getting ready to move this beautiful new boat. Say hi, April. There you go. That's April, guys.
Oh, here.
Everything's ready on the boat. You can see they got the seldom fixed boom and boom bang installed. They got a lot of the lines ran through, but there's still a lot of work left to be done. So that's going to be done here at the marina. Comes Ed maneuvering the boat. You know, it has a bow thruster, so that facilitates the docking process. Even though Ed has so much experience, he can do that without any assist. But if you have it, why not use it? I'm gonna put the camera down for a little bit to help with the docking. All right, move to the slip. Now they're just gonna adjust all the lines, make sure they're set up properly. To that beautiful center teak table, I believe April did a fabulous job on that companionway door.
We're going to break for lunch now, and we'll come back and continue getting her properly set at the dock after lunch.
All right, excellent. Thank
Another
you.
successful docking, no blood on the deck, no
Nobody
scratches
farts
on the
laying
boat.
around.